Today I'll show you how to install an eSIM on your Google Pixel Android phone. This is the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, but this works the same on most Android phones. So first, you want to make sure you find the provider you want to get the eSIM from. And in my case, I went to do a search. So I'm searching for eSIM Cyprus because this is where we are now. And I search for some providers. The one I want to look at is this one, and they have an option for eSIM. You might have to go into the shop of the provider, but some providers, they will make it easy so you can do it online. And also you have to decide if you want to get a subscription or if you want to get a pay-as-you-go. I will get a pay-as-you-go. Eventually you will get a QR code that you have to scan or an address that you have to go to install the SIM in your phone. I will prefer to use a pay-as-you-go. This is information related to this specific provider, but each provider will have different systems. Get your eSIM. I tap get your eSIM, and so pay €2 to this shop. Pay. And now I have to take a selfie and attach an identification document. Let's see. Successful verification. Okay, press continue. Still one more step. Wow. Okay, so I have to confirm that I'm the owner. Registration request submitted successfully. You will be notified by SMS. How? Which SMS? Email, I guess. So I can download the QR code. Click the link. Pretty much that's the process. I want to save this QR code. From here, these are the steps for iOS and for Android. Go to settings, connection, and I have to tap the gallery icon to upload the QR code. So if you're on the same device, you upload the QR code. If you're on another device, you have to use the camera to scan the QR code. So let's do it. To add the SIM card, you open the settings app, and in the settings, go to network and internet and go to SIM cards. And I already have the physical SIM card. These are the options for the physical SIM card, and I can turn it off if I want to. To add the SIM card, tap add SIM. And here you have the option to transfer a SIM from another device or set up an eSIM. And this is for physical SIM, but I will set up an eSIM. And it gives me the option to scan a QR code, but I already have the picture saved. Scan from photo. Okay. So you select the QR code, done. And it's going to connect to the internet. Set up your eSIM. One SIM is available for this device. I could change that, but I could press setup. And now it's following the steps for the regular SIM card. And it should get 2 signal indicators when it's ready. Go to settings to activate the eSIM. Okay. So now I have the eSIM. Set the SIM preferences. Okay. I could keep them like this. Set the primary SIM cards. This is great for when you're traveling, you get a temporary SIM card. You don't want to use your home SIM card, especially for mobile data. And you can enable data switching if you want to, but I'll continue, press done. Okay, so I'll turn it off mobile data. I don't want to use it. Okay, now this SIM card is ready to be used, and you see I have Epic and Sita, both of them at the same time, and this is showing that the mobile data is turned off. Could find the phone. Let's see if it works. So it's working. I have the signal bars for both numbers, and I can make and receive phone calls.